Hello students, today we discuss the triple product of a vector. We have already discussed the scalar product and vector product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors, it is a dot product of two vectors. We say it is a bar dot b bar. Simply we take the vector a bar and b bar. Okay, and then vector product is a cross product. Here we see the scalar product and vector product of two vectors. Now we see the triple product, that means the product of three vectors. Okay, and here in the vector product, it is a two types of product. It is a scalar product and vector product. Okay, then in the triple product there is a two types. It is a scalar triple product and vector triple product. Okay, first we see the scalar triple product of three vectors. Okay. First we see the definition of the triple product here. If a bar, b bar, c bar are three vectors then the triple product of a bar, b bar and c bar is here the scalar triple product. We can see here scalar triple product. Then the scalar triple product of vector a bar, b bar and c bar is the scalar product of vector a bar and vector b bar cross c bar. Now here scalar triple product of vector a bar, b bar, c bar is the scalar product of vector a bar and the vector b bar cross c bar. A bar is a vector and b bar cross c bar. Okay, b bar cross c bar is also a vector. Therefore the scalar product of these two vectors, it is a scalar triple product of vector a bar and b bar. Here scalar triple product of a vector a bar, b bar, c bar is the scalar product of vectors a bar and b bar cross c bar, and it is denoted by it is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. It is a scalar triple product of a bar, b bar and c bar. Here the order is important. When we say it is a bar scalar triple product of a bar, b bar and c bar, then we can write triple product. It is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Here a, b, c. When we say the scalar triple product of a bar, c bar and b bar, it is a bar dot c bar cross b bar. Here we say the scalar triple product of vector a bar, c bar and b bar. We can say the triple product of vector p bar, q bar and r bar. Then triple product, it is p bar dot q bar cross r bar. It is a triple product of these three vectors, can be written in this form. A bar dot b bar cross c bar. A, C, B vectors, we can take A, C, B. Then the triple product of vector a bar, c bar and b bar, it is a bar dot c bar cross b bar. Triple product of vector p, q, r, it is p bar dot q bar cross r bar. Okay, here we can write here a bar dot b bar cross c bar. It is a triple product of vector a bar, b bar, c bar. If we can write in form here a bar dot b bar cross c bar, that means this is a one vector and it is one vector. When we take like that a bar dot b bar and cross c bar, when we take this, okay, it is does not have meaning. Okay, here a bar dot b bar cross c bar, it is a meaningless. Why? The dot product of these two vectors, it is a scalar quantity. Suppose we take scalar quantity, it is lambda, and scalar cross c, that means scalar and vector, there is no vector product between scalar and vector. Okay, here listen carefully. A bar dot b bar cross c bar. Okay, we can take bracket or not. Okay, Here, if we take bracket, it is a clearly understand. But when we cannot take bracket, when it is a meaningful statement, then A bar dot B bar cross C bar. That means A bar is a one vector and B bar cross C bar it is a second vector. And we take the dot product of these two vectors. And the second vector, it is a cross product of these two vectors. Therefore, it is a triple product of A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay. Here, it is a meaningless. A bar dot B bar. That means it is a scalar cross vector. It is a not vector product. Okay. It is a scalar and it is a vector. Okay. Scalar into vector. It is a scalar multiplication of vector. That means we multiply a vector by a scalar. But here it is a multiplication. It is a cross product. And cross product means the vector product between two vectors. And it is a lambda. That is a dot product. It is a scalar. It is a cross product does not between in a scalar and vector. Okay. This concept it is a clear karai doing. Okay. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. It is a triple product. Here अशा पद्धतीने लिहिलं तर here clearly समजून जाणार. Okay. Triple product. पण here we can write in this way. Then it is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Okay. Does not like that. A bar dot B bar. Okay. See carefully. Okay. It is a definition of the scalar triple product. Okay. Scalar triple product is also called a box product. Okay. Here. Scalar triple product. Also denoted by it is A bar, B bar and C bar. Does not take a comma. Okay. Only simply A bar, B bar, C bar. It is triple product of. Okay. So it is called box product. Here, that means when we can write A bar, B bar, C bar, it is a box product. That means A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Here in triple product, when we say a triple product of three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, then order is important. When we write in the form of this A bar, C bar and B bar, then it is A bar dot C bar cross B bar. Okay, see carefully. A bar, D bar and it is C bar. It is A bar dot D bar cross C bar. Okay. Here it is a triple product. Okay. Triple product, scalar triple product of vector A, D and C. It is A bar dot B bar, D bar cross C bar. Okay. It is a notation. It is a scalar product. We can write in the box product form. It is a scalar triple product. We can write in terms of dot and cross. Okay. Scalar triple product of three vectors we can write in a dot and cross product form. It is A bar dot B bar cross C bar and it is right in the box product form. Okay. Now here for example here if it is we consider let A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. B bar is equal to A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap and C bar is equal to A3 I cap plus B3 J cap and plus C3 K cap. Okay, see carefully. Here, these are the three vectors. Okay, we can find the triple product of scalar triple product of three vectors. Okay, the notation of the scalar triple product we can write box product of cross product. Okay, anyone. It is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Okay, now see carefully. We can write A bar dot B bar cross C bar. That is the dot. It is scalar triple product of these three vectors. We know that the only dot product and cross product. That means the scalar product of any two vectors and the cross product of any two vectors. But here the three vectors here, but it is a scalar triple product. But here scalar triple product means the scalar product of A bar and the vector B bar cross C bar. Now first we find this vector B bar cross C bar. Here B bar cross C bar just find it is a cross product of these two vectors, and then cross product it is a vector, then the scalar product, that is dot product of these two vectors A bar and B bar cross C bar. Okay, here see carefully. Now we can find the cross product of vector. It is B bar cross C bar. Cross product, it is I, J and it is K. It is a B bar, it is the first vector. Components of vector, it is A2, B2 and C2. A3, B3 and C3. Okay, we find the triple product of the vectors. Okay, three vectors, when given three vectors, then we find the triple product. Okay, here first we find the cross product and then take the dot product with A bar. Here we can write it is I cap into B2 C3 minus C2 B3 minus J cap into, it is J cap into A2 C3 minus C2 A3, okay, and plus K cap into A2 B3 minus B2 A3. Okay, it is a vector. Which vector? It is a B bar cross C bar. Now we take a dot product of vector. Okay, here. Now we can find A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar, it is A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. We can find the dot product of two vectors. Which vectors? It is A bar and B bar cross C bar, and then B bar cross C bar, it is this vector. Okay, then this vector, it is dot A bar dot. Now we can write B bar cross C bar. Here it is B2 C3 minus C2 B3 I cap minus A2 C3 minus C2 A3 J cap, okay, and plus A2 B3 minus B2 A3 K cap. Okay, here we want to just find this dot product, that is the scalar product of these two vectors. Okay, and we know the scalar product of two vectors by using the components. We multiply the coefficient of I, then coefficient of JJ and then coefficient of KK and adding them. Okay, dot product, that is the scalar product by using components of the two vectors, and that two vectors it is A bar dot and it is B bar cross C bar. Therefore we can write here the dot product, it is coefficient of I, it is A1 and here coefficient of I this. Therefore A1 into B2 C3 minus C2 B3 minus, it is minus coefficient of J cap and here it is coefficient of J cap. Therefore B1 into A2 C3 minus C2 A3 and K cap and it is K cap C1 and this bracket and it is plus C1 into it is A2 B3 minus B2 A3. Here it is a scalar triple product, that is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. And now here compare these two. Okay, here in this equation and B bar cross C bar only replace I, J and K by A1, B1 and C1. See carefully, compare these two. Okay, only replace I, J and K by A1, B1 and C1. That means it is a determinant of A1, replace I, J, K by A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2 and C2, A3, B3 and C3. Now it is a determinant. Here this expression can be written in the form of determinant. Here we can take the cross product in the determinant form, we get this expression. Then this and this only replace I, J and K by A1, B1 and C1. So in this determinant we replace I, J, K by A1, B1 and C1. Then this expression can be written in the form of the determinant. Okay, when we solve this determinant we get this, and it is the triple product of A bar, B bar and C bar. It is triple product of A bar, B bar, C bar. Then it is, that means when given three vectors, then their triple product is determinant of components of first vector A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2 and C2, A3, B3 and C3. It is a scalar triple product, and the value of determinant, it is in the form of the scalar, because it is scalar product of dot product of these two vectors A bar and B bar cross C bar. Okay, see carefully it is. When we given the three vectors, then it is a triple product of scalar triple product of three vectors. Okay, here we can write in the way. Okay, here first we find the cross product and take the dot product. Okay, here we get this determinant. Now examples are very simple. We get three vectors, just find the determinant of the components of that vector. But here order is important. It is first vector A bar, second B bar and it is third C bar. First row it is a component of first vector, second row it is a component of second vector, and third row it is a component of the third row in the scalar triple product. Okay, now we see one example on this. Here examples of the scalar triple product are very simple examples. Here we can find just the determinant of the components. Okay, here for example, here if A bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, B bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and C bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap, then find A bar dot B bar cross C bar, that means triple product. Okay, or find box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, both have same meaning. Okay, it is a box product, or write in terms of dot and cross product. It is a scalar triple product. We can denote in the box product form or in terms of dot and cross product form. Okay, now here, therefore, it is a solution. Given vectors A bar, it is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. B bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and C bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, now therefore A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Okay, here order is important. A bar, B bar and C bar. First vector it is A bar, second vector it is B bar, and third vector is C bar. Now components of A bar, it is 2, 3 and it is 4, 1, 2 and it is minus 1, 1, 1 and it is 3. Okay, are the components of A bar, B bar and it is C bar. Now just find the determinant. It is 2 into 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 minus 3 into 3 plus 1, it is a 3 and it is plus 1, plus 4 into 1 minus 2, it is 1 and minus 2. Then we get the calculation, it is 7. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 2. Here 4. 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3, it is minus 12. Okay, see carefully. 4 into minus, and here minus 1 into, it is minus 4. Okay, minus 1 into 4. And then we get the calculation. It is 14, it is minus 16, that means minus 2. It is a scalar triple product of vector A, B and C. Here order is important, very important. Okay, A, B, C. Now here we find the scalar product of, suppose here we take, it is B bar and here we take A bar. Okay. Now here it is a scalar triple product of A bar, B bar, C bar. Now we find the scalar triple product. Now the scalar triple product of B bar dot A bar cross C bar. Okay, here B bar is the first vector, A bar is the second and C bar is the third. Okay, therefore in the first row we can write the components of the vector B bar. Okay, here order is important in the scalar triple product. Here 1, 2 and it is minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. Now second vector, it is A bar. Now it is A bar. 2, 3 and it is 4. And third vector 1, 1 and 3. Okay, here. Now we can find the determinant. It is 1 into 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 minus 2 into 6 minus 4. It is 6 and it is minus 4. And minus 1 into 2 minus 3. It is 2 and minus 3. Then we calculate. Here 5. 5 into 1, 5. Then here 2. See carefully. It is 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. And then it is minus 1. It is plus 1. And then it is 2. Okay. Here in the last we find the triple product of A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Triple product of A, B, C. Then we get minus 2. Here we find the triple product of B, A, C. We get a 2. Okay. That means here in the scalar triple product order is very important. Okay. Here first vector, it is a component of first row in the determinant. Second, third, it is second and it is third. Okay. Here we interchange A and B. Okay. First we find here. First we find A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Here A bar and B bar are the interchange. Okay. When in the scalar triple product, in a single interchange of a vector takes the value of scalar triple product changes in its sign. Okay. Here we prove it. First we find the scalar triple product of ABC. It is a minus 2. And then we find the scalar triple product of BAC. It is a 2. It is a property of scalar triple product. Okay. It is we discuss the properties of scalar triple product in the next example. Okay. Just observe it.